Hello and welcome in this video. For this exercise, this is an integral to calculate, and this is integral of sin cube x dx. So if you want to give a try, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution. One way to solve this integral, this is to notice that you've got a trig function raised to the third power. So one way to solve this is to just modify a little bit and to write down that this is integral of sin x times sin squared x dx. So you've got sin squared x, so this is valid for all x. Every time you've got a trig function, sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. So you end up with sin squared x equals to 1 minus cos squared x. So now you plug and you obtain integral of sin x times 1 minus cos squared x dx. If you expand, you end up with integral of sin x dx. This first integral is easy to calculate, minus integral of sin x times cos squared x dx. So you want to modify just a little bit the second one, and you obtain, for the second integral, cos squared x times negative sin x dx. So we did that because now we've got a function and is derivative. So now let's solve this. We are going to calculate this. This is easy to calculate, and to calculate this with the method of substitution. Let's call u equals to cos x. Then if you calculate du, this is negative sin x dx. Negative sin x dx, this is exactly the quantity you've got at the end of the second integral. So now you can plug u in the second integral and you obtain integral of sin x dx. This is the first one, no change, and plus integral of u squared du. So now you can calculate, and this is negative cos x plus u cube over 3 plus capital C, because this is an indefinite integral. So now you want to transform u. This is cos x, so you get at the end cos cube x over 3 minus cos x plus c. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in a next video.